Can you see yourself in the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD? Get a truck that's equipped to handle every job, whether it's hauling, towing, or creating a connected mobile office on the worksite. The Silverado 2500 HD has you covered. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, navigation system, remote engine start, bed liner, 8-cylinder engine, 4-cylinder engine, luxurious enough to impress the boss, tough enough to be the boss. That's the Silverado 2500 HD.